This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Undo the retaining nut on the inside of the rear light and the screw on the outside. Carefully pull the light cluster from place. Twist the bulb holder anti-clockwise a little and pull it from the light cluster. Depress and twist the appropriate bulb anti-clockwise to remove it from the bulb holder. Align the bayonet pins, then press the new bulb into the holder and twist it clockwise. Refit the bulb holder and secure it with a clockwise twist. Position the light cluster, then gently press it down into place to engage the locating pin at the top. Tighten the outer screw securely, followed by the retaining nut.